Hey guys, Dr. Solomon here. Just want to share with you an interesting case. This is a patient who's been in my practice for many years. She initially underwent a septal rhinoplasty procedure in Iran, and they made her nose really cute but too small. And what happened over time is it started shifting and her nostrils retracted and fell in. And that's something that we see quite commonly in certain parts of the world where the surgery is done in an aggressive manner. Over time, the nose can end up collapsing. So ultimately, she came to see me about 5 years ago. We did a reconstructive procedure where we added in cadaveric cartilage grafting to rebuild the mid-third of the nose and the bottom tip area to strengthen it and give her some structure. She looked great for a while, but over time, the one nostril started coming in a little bit. So recently, we just did a touch-up with ear cartilage grafting, and she's just a week out, and she was so happy. I thought it was a nice thing to share. So if you're looking at her nose straight on, her bridge looks more natural than before. The alignment's improved. Tip's still very cute, but we've been able to build up the sidewalls here, which have improved the structure, function, and aesthetics. She is in the fitness industry and needs her nose to function as well as look good. How you feeling?
I feel great.
Thanks so
I love
much. I'm so happy for you.